All right, so what we're going to be doing today is showing you how to access this Mansa Musa HyperDoc. So if you go to our Google Classroom, up at the top, this just happens to be Core 1, but you can, obviously it's the same stuff for each core. And we're going to go to Week 2. Week 2, what you will see is the weekly schedule right here. Monday, April 27th, and Mansa Musa, the HyperDoc. So we're going to click on the Mansa Musa HyperDoc. We're going to come down here and click on the Mansa Musa HyperDoc, and that will open up right, if I can get my mouse to work, right here. So in this HyperDoc, if you guys have never used a HyperDoc before, what it will look like is you'll have something that you need to watch at first, maybe with a question. In this case, it says, what do you think of when you think of the richest people in the world? Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and what if I told you they had nothing on one man? So you're going to watch a video, it's on Brain Pop, about this guy Mansa Musa, who is supposedly the richest person to ever exist in history. Pretty interesting. And then you're going to read a couple articles, look at a couple documents, and answer some questions. So after you've watched that Brain Pop video, you're going to come down here to the Explore. And what I've put in for Monday, what I want you guys to do is to read this article. It's linked right here on Mansa Musa, and you're going to answer the following question below in 3 to 5 sentences. So it says, write about it. How might learning about Mansa Musa and other rulers affect people's perception of Africa? Cite text evidence to support your answer. So you're going to keep that in mind, and you're going to click on this. You're going to open up this document, and it's a little article on this guy, Mansa Musa, and they call him the Bling King. So it says how Mansa Musa, an early African emperor, turned his stash of gold into one of the biggest empires, right? So you're going to read through this. It's got some question and answers, blah, blah, blah. And at the end of that, you're going to come back to our Mansa Musa HyperDoc, and you're going to answer this question: how might learning about Mansa Musa and other ancient rulers affect people's perceptions of Africa using text evidence? So you're going to answer this question using evidence from the text. What you're going to be doing tomorrow, or you could get a head start on, is going to these next ones. So it says next, look at this map. So you're going to click this map, and it's going to answer the questions in this quiz. And if you notice, there's a little hint. It says hint, you can pull up the quiz next to the article to use them both. So how I would do that is I can do, well, on my computer I can do this. I pull it up side by side. That's not working. Let me try this again. I'm going to make this smaller, bring it over to this side, make it, if I can get a hold of this, make it like this, and then I'm going to pull up the quiz. So I'm going to pull that one out too. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to pull this one off to the side. All right. It's kind of annoying, but once you get it, then it's good. All right, so now I have both of these side by side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at this map, and then I'm going to answer these questions. So it says, Musa's world. The Mali Empire's wealth relied on access to prized gold and salt resources and a network of routes for trading them. So there's some information right here, and then there are these questions. As a hint, these map skills questions are exactly the same as the ones that are on the quiz. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the question first. It says, what do we use to find direction on a map? And I might already know the answer, but I'm going to look in the text real quick to find that. It says, find the compass rose on the map. It shows the cardinal directions, northeast, south, and west. Halfway between any two of them are the intermediate directions, northeast, southwest, and northwest. So based on that, I should be able to answer this question. I'm not going to give it to you, but you should be able to know. Then it says, what are the cardinal directions? That was also found. But then we have some questions that are going to rely on you using the map. So it says, which trade route was directly east of Timbuktu? So I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to find Timbuktu. I'm going to find which direction is east. Notice here's my compass rose. that's telling me those directions, which also gives you a hint to one of the other questions. And you're going to look directly east. Okay, well, there's that city. I'm going to come back over here to which trade route, and I'm going to click the correct answer. Okay, so you're going to go through all of those questions. Oops. And then we're going to come back, and there's a final document. And this is going to be between today and tomorrow, so don't stress out that it's too much. You're just going to read these 2 paragraphs, not very much, and you're going to answer this question. How is Mali different from the time of Mansa Musa? So in order to answer this question, you need to know what Mali is like today, which is going to be in these paragraphs, but you're also going to need to know what Mali is like here. So some of that may be inferring. You may have to figure out what they're saying about Mali based on reading between the lines rather than outright saying it. So pay attention for that. So those first 2 things, the watch and explore, that's what we're doing today and tomorrow. Hopefully this helped figure out how to use a HyperDoc. Thank you.